Hello guys, I'm in city center in sector Odessa and I want to go in this shop. You can see the pink color. This is shop of cosmetics, jewelry. So I want to go to there, but now I want to walking because I don't be here a long time and I have day of rest today, so I want just walk and enjoy the last day of summer. I go from beauty shop and buy something interesting. Today I in a green color, even my shopper. Cool. So when I come back to home, I show you what I buy. It's very pretty and beautiful thing. I am glad. I'm like a girl. I had a bad mood, so come to this shop and now I'm glad. So go to Greek Square and I try to show you something from that. We walk with my friend. Microphone, I hope you hear me because very noisy and very loud. So we go to Benta Bar and we hope we can eat at this restaurant because it's impossible in every time. And we want to sushi. Yeah? We want to sushi. So let's see what we can do. We like young, so we at restaurant. Oh, ready? Salad, avocado soup. So now, guys, I go to walk again with my friend, and I hope we will have a good time together. Again. Okay. Let's go. Children. Funny, guys. So something like this, a little glamour. How it say, my boyfriend? I like this very much. Crows. I think it's good. Yeah? Yeah, I'm not a model, but I like this. I can't do this beautiful. I'm sorry, guys. Just look, my outfit. Someone need to clean mirror. Okay, let's go. So guys, I come back and I do this. I have 2 earrings. So I'm ready and I just need to use my perfume. Oh, I try this for my one hand. Moment, I do this. Oh. Mantal. You look, yes, you watch this. It's okay, everything is okay. Just I want to show you my outfit. And now I have black color of my hair. So guys, I go from a vinyl record shop. I a week ago arrived with my vinyl record because it stopped to play music. Unfortunately, they can't repair my vinyl record, but I buy a new vinyl record, so it's cool because good vinyl record, but I want another, and it's richer than another one, and not now, but very cool. If you listen how Black Sabbath music on this vinyl record, it's in central of heart, very cool. And now I buy a CD of him music. I have now 6 CDs, and this is one. Now I will have 8. So I show you. It's not comfortable in this. Maybe one moment. Oh. So this is now more comfortable. So I show you the first CDs. Look at this, it's very... Oh, if you know how I love band Him. The first. And... oh my god, I'm sorry. And the second one. Cool. You see this? Oh my god. When I come to home, I will show you the new CDs more in details, and my another CDs, and maybe I show you a new vinyl record, and you will see which one we buy with my boyfriend. So now I had a brunch and 1 hour, and I start speaking club. So now I'm just relax. I think I will drink a coffee. This is my second cup of day. Will a second cup. Many interesting things happened this week. I think I maybe tell you something about this elite. I'm sorry. I'm just sleeping. Later. Now I thinking about I want to practice with drive lesson. I have a drive license. I get this about when I was 18 years old. But I haven't practiced from war, from COVID-19 and my eyes. I can't drive, so I know theory, but I haven't a practice. So I won't remember how it is, and I think it's need for me at this time. So maybe later I start my vlog from her. I think it really interesting. Okay, I continue my branch because I can't finish it. It's difficult for me.